Maine, and we're really excited. We're about to board over there. We're zone 5, I think, so we're gonna be boarding last. Didn't get such a great night's sleep last night, but I'm gonna go anyway.
Well, guys, you heard it. We are on the way to Bangor, Maine. We're going to become a Mainer now. We're going to visit Nova Scotia, so we've got tons of good eating and activities to do. Great videos coming up, so guys, stay tuned. We'll keep you all involved. Well, guys, we're here in the plane. Honey, are you ready to go to Bangor?
Do it over.
Well, we're here on the plane. We're headed to Bangor, Maine. Should be real exciting. We're going to become a Mainer. What do you think, honey? Say hello. Say hello to everybody.
Hey!
Well, we should have a good time.
On the plane.
Yeah, it should be fun. It's the first time I've been to Bangor in over 30 years. So we're looking forward to a great time, and we'll catch you guys when we land. Bangor, Maine. Well, looks like we landed in one piece. We're in Bangor, Maine, and I'm going to switch the phone and show you guys. Well, I don't know how to do this here, but we're here. And Ain, what do you want to say, hon? Say hello to everybody.
I'm excited. It's beautiful.
Yeah, this is gorgeous. Reminds me of Alaska. But this is the airport, and it's just real nice, real nice. Anyway, it's a new place to be, and we're going to experiment. We're going to explore. Well, guys, we left the airport, got a beautiful hot cup of coffee at a truck stop. This is a little bit desolate up here, and I'm used to this coming from Alaska. But we are headed to Augusta, Maine, which is the capital. We've got an hour and 10-minute drive. We're 10 minutes into it already. Just beautiful pine trees, real thick foliage, and hills all over the place. So I'm looking forward to this. I was told that in Bar Harbor, one of the spots we do want to go to, that's on the coast, southeast of Bangor, that there's a lot of activities to do there. This is lobster capital of the country, so you know we're going to be diving into lobster. So it should be a lot of fun. And now we're going to be hooking up at the hotel. We've got, what do we get, a Home Suites?
Homewood Suites.
Homewood Suites, which I like, by Hilton. And it's a new one, believe it or not, in the middle of Maine. So my wife is happy. So like the expression says, happy wife is a happy life. Well, guys, I'll leave you on that note, and we'll touch base when we get there.